Hi guys, in the day 5 we will learn about Python function. You know that we are learning Python in 7 days. We have discussed many things in previous days, but in this class we will discuss different topics that will cover in the day 5. Function is very important topic in any programming language, same like we will cover this chapter in Python programming course also. So in the day 5 function in Python, first of all we will cover this section, means the basics of Python function. What is function, how you can create a function and how you can call a function, what means of argument and parameter, and also difference between argument and parameter with example. And also I discuss with you different types of argument, keyword arguments, default argument, required arguments. And also I will share a exercise for your practice on the basis of function. So don't miss any lecture because you will learn many things from this day.